This is my new propeller system. The propeller is the one of the better chips that Parallax sells, and you can see it right here. It has 32 I/O pins, and what are some of the other features here? We have leads to a 9-volt battery, which is disconnected right now. We have 2 voltage regulators. So the first one over here is takes the 9-volt input and produces 5 volts. The 5 volts then gets reduced to 3.3 volts. And then we have this little tiny chip here is an EEPROM. I believe it's 32K. We have capacitors for the voltage regulators. We have a power LED here and a resistor for that. These sets of wires and this let me get that better. These sets of wires here and this resistor all go to this, which they call the prop plug. Essentially, it's I believe it's a UART chip that handles USB communications, and it's also, I'm not sure if I can do this with one hand, and in fact I cannot. Let's see if I can. It's kind of a neat thing that I was playing with very slightly today. This tripod is all silhouette anchored here. So essentially, it's a little cord that you can pull on, and the wires are somehow in that elastic, and so you can extend it out, and then when you're ready to let it go, you can let it retract. So that's kind of neat. So anyway, this is just a USB interface, and this is where the USB interface hooks in, and this is a reset switch here. This is the 5.5 megahertz oscillator that goes into the propeller chip. And this is a test circuit that I have here. This is a push button that's going to power. It connects a circuit to a certain I/O pin here. And then I have a whole bunch of LEDs that will pulse at a rate dependent on whether this is pushed or not. And so let's see it work. Get this positioned right, and I'll hook up the battery and hopefully not obliterate everything with my there we go. Now if I push the button, they go on and off at a slow rate. I believe that's 2 hertz, and then this is several hertz. Maybe it's 20 hertz or something. Let me look at the program here. If I can. Yeah, I think it's 20 hertz. And the other one I believe is 4 hertz. So, anyway. This is just a test for the I/O pin, so I'm testing that you can receive inputs off of this pin, and that all the output pins are in fact producing, at least on this side of the chip, are producing right. So I have to test 16 variations on this, and then I need to switch sides and do it again. I won't bore you with that, but anyway, that's what I'm up to. And this is a propeller imitating a Christmas tree.